got so much time left in your hands. Don't worry about your limbs, it's just breezy. Everybody's consciously lazy. I had a harsh word with the mirror to realize it's not a spell, it's just myself. I'm sabotaged by myself. I'm chasing my fate as if I'm trying to run again. I'm writing this at 19, people telling me to idle or pretend. Just a little girl running faster than her feet again. No, 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 no. I'm stuck in this place of home, blinded by the roads that will pay for me to go. My dreams move real way back when I dreamed of fairies and they would pretend. I'm afraid to be ahead of myself, but I don't always have been. I'm realistic as hell, but that's my dream. I'm chasing my fate as if I'm trying to run again. I'm writing this at 19, people telling me to idle or pretend. I'm just another girl running faster than her feet again. Ask me if I care, 'cause I do. No one grows out of feeling confused. Ask me if I know you want to. Gonna let this all unfold the way I want to. I'm chasing my fate as if I'm trying to run again. I'm writing this at 19, people telling me to idle or pretend. I'm just another girl running faster than her feet.